Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Marcin Teodoro, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Jonathan Montoya and the whole team behind the Freedom Breakthrough affiliate program. I just finished the 12th module, so I'm super pumped. It's super fresh in my mind, and I had to get up on the camera and do a quick testimonial, because if you're watching this video, most likely you're somewhere in that journey. And I can tell you, as somebody who just finished the course, I'm actually pretty blown away at the level of knowledge that Jonathan shares in this, plus the heavy hitters he has on board. You know, Nathan Lucas, the actual templates and the different funnels they give you as part of this program. They show you A to Z, from 0 to 100, from making your first $100 to making your first six-figure months. It is actually pretty crazy. A little bit about myself. So I'm in affiliate marketing, e-commerce. I run multiple brands, and I learned more in the last 2 days going through this course than I probably have in the last 6 months scouring YouTube and doing my own research. So thank you so much, guys. It's honestly really, really amazing, high quality content. It is super current. It's got all the newest social media networks, including TikTok, paid strategies, organic strategies. The copy and paste part of this course is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to see what else is going to come down the line. And knowing Jonathan now, I know you're going to bring out some heavy hitting stuff for all of us. So dude, thank you so much for letting me take a look at it, and I'm super happy to be part of this. And all of you guys out there looking at something that's going to take you from beginner to expert, probably in a couple weeks, if you really go through this as quickly as I did. I learned a lot of nuance as somebody who was looking for little tips and tricks at already certain levels of income. But for somebody who's just starting out, this is literally A to Z. Never started a channel, never started an e-com business, never done any type of affiliate marketing, don't have any tech skills. This is honestly a great program for you. So take a look at it, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the Facebook group. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Without this program, you're just going to be lost.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey guys, if you are watching this, that means you are watching the testimonial to Jonathan Montoya's course.
Hey, how's it going? I just want to shoot this quick review testimonial
about Jonathan Montoya's new affiliate marketing training.
And his brand new Affiliate Blueprint Academy.
Awesome. I loved it. And I feel that as a newbie, you'll get heaps of value out of it.
I was one of the lucky beta testers, and let me say that this is the most comprehensive affiliate marketing course I've ever seen.
It's a program that's going to help a lot of people, whether you're starting from scratch or you're already making money online. He starts out by helping you to pick out the right niche so that you can make money.
They show you A to Z, from 0 to 100, from making your first $100 to making your first six-figure months. It is actually pretty crazy.
It doesn't matter if you're a newbie or you just get started with affiliate marketing, or you are advanced or intermediate.
I have spent tens of thousands of dollars on training and education courses. And Jonathan Montoya's course ranks right up there at the top with any training, or probably above any training we've ever received online.
Are new, or you've yet to get the success that you're looking for, I strongly recommend having a look at this program.
I actually gave up on affiliate marketing about 2 years ago, and I just recently came back into the game, and I found him through Legendary Marketer.
Now, going through his training has actually short-circuited, and it's collapsed the time frame that it was going to take me in growing my own personal brand within my own online entrepreneurial journey, especially in regards to growing my own YouTube channel and with SEO.
What I see is what you've taught is what you've actually done, and I really like the way you've set it all out module by module. I love the module you had on YouTube. There's things in there I'd never seen before, never ever seen before.
I just would like you to join and to make up your mind and just go for it, because I'm sure you're going to be happy about it. You won't regret it. You're going to see that it could be one of the best decisions in your life.
So whether you're looking to make a part-time income or a full-time income and replace your job, I highly recommend Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough.
It's a full A to Z training, and I think once you get in there, you're going to discover that you do not need any other training programs.
Like I said before, oh my God, you need to take a look at this training. You need to sign up for it because it's definitely worth it.
Enjoy the program. Take advantage of it. Jonathan, thank you so much. See you guys.
Don't even think about it twice. Go ahead and join. You won't regret it for a single minute.
Thanks, Jonathan. I really appreciate the opportunity to be part of this training.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you so much.